Premature graying of hair, once considered a sign of wisdom and aging, now presents a concern for many individuals, particularly younger ones. While genetics, lifestyle factors, and stress are commonly associated with premature graying, emerging research suggests that nutritional deficiencies, particularly in copper, may play a significant role. Let's take a look at the relationship between copper deficiency and premature gray hair. Copper, an essential trace mineral, plays a crucial role in various physiological processes within the human body. It serves as a cofactor for numerous enzymes involved in critical functions such as energy production, iron metabolism, and antioxidant defense mechanisms. Additionally, copper is integral to the synthesis of melanin, the pigment responsible for the color of our hair, skin, and eyes. The natural color of hair is determined by the presence of melanin, which is produced by specialized cells called melanocytes located in the hair follicles. There are two types of melanin: eumelanin, responsible for brown to black hues, and pheomelanin, responsible for red and yellow hues. The ratio and distribution of these pigments determine hair color, with genetics playing a significant role in their expression. Premature graying occurs when the melanocytes cease to produce melanin or produce less pigment than usual, resulting in the appearance of gray or white hair before the typical age of onset, which is often considered to be around 35 years old. While genetic predisposition is a primary factor, environmental and nutritional influences also contribute to this phenomenon. Copper deficiency can disrupt melanin synthesis due to its role as a cofactor for the enzyme tyrosinase, which catalyzes the conversion of the amino acid tyrosine into melanin precursors. Without adequate copper, this process is impaired, leading to decreased melanin production and, consequently, premature graying of hair. Moreover, copper deficiency can compromise the function of antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase, SOD, and ceruloplasmin, which protect melanocyte from oxidative stress. Melanocytes are highly susceptible to oxidative damage due to their continuous exposure to environmental factors and metabolic processes. When antioxidant defense mechanisms are compromised, melanocyte viability and melanin production are adversely affected, contributing to premature gray hair. Several factors can contribute to copper deficiency, including inadequate dietary intake, malabsorption disorders, gastrointestinal surgery, excessive zinc supplementation, and certain medications. Copper is predominantly obtained from dietary sources such as nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, seafood, and organ meats. Therefore, individuals with restricted diets or malabsorption conditions are at increased risk of copper deficiency. Furthermore, excessive zinc intake can interfere with copper absorption and utilization, as both minerals compete for the same transport mechanisms within the body. Zinc supplements, commonly consumed for their immune-boosting properties, can inadvertently lead to copper deficiency if not balanced appropriately. Addressing copper deficiency involves adopting dietary strategies to ensure adequate intake of copper-rich foods while maintaining a balanced diet. Incorporating foods such as nuts, seeds, whole grains, legumes, seafood, and organ meats can help replenish copper stores and support melanin synthesis. Increasing copper intake. Incorporate copper-rich foods into your diet such as nuts, like almonds, cashews, and peanuts, seeds, such as sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, whole grains, like barley and oats, legumes, including lentils and beans, seafood, such as oysters, shellfish, and fish, and organ meats, like liver. Include a variety of these foods in your meals to ensure a diverse nutrient intake. Copper supplements. If dietary sources alone are insufficient to meet your copper needs, consider copper supplements under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Opt for supplements that provide copper in a bioavailable form and follow recommended dosage guidelines to prevent excessive intake. Cooking methods. Cooking in copper utensils can also increase copper intake, as small amounts of copper can leach into food during the cooking process. However, be mindful of not overusing copper cookware to avoid excessive intake. Balanced nutrition. Maintain a balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of other essential nutrients, as nutrient interactions can influence copper absorption and utilization within the body. The timeline for hair regrowth and the restoration of natural color after addressing copper deficiency can vary significantly among individuals. Several factors influence this process, including the severity of copper deficiency, the duration of deficiency, overall health status, genetic predisposition, and adherence to dietary and lifestyle interventions. In general, it may take several months to notice improvements in hair health and color after addressing nutritional deficiencies. However, significant regrowth and restoration of natural hair color may require a longer period, possibly ranging from 6 months to a year or more. It's essential to have realistic expectations and patience during this process, as hair regrowth is a gradual and continuous process influenced by various factors. Consistently maintaining adequate copper intake, along with a balanced diet and lifestyle, can support optimal hair health and promote the restoration of natural hair color over time. Individuals experiencing concerns about hair health or seeking guidance on addressing copper deficiency should consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. They can provide personalized recommendations and monitor progress to ensure effective management of nutritional imbalances and support optimal hair regrowth and color restoration.